we are doing question 9 by method of proportion. Here we have already discussed the weight of 65 books is equal to 13 kg. The weight of x number of books will weigh 32 kg. So when we place it in a form of proportion, the ratio of books, that is 65 is to x will be equal to 13 kg is to 32 kg. Okay, we know that in proportion products of means is equal to product of extremes. Means are second and third term, extremes are first and fourth term. So means we write it here x into 13 and products we write here 65 into 32. Therefore we find out the value of x. 13 comes this side, we multiply and then we divide and we get the value of x equals to 160. Okay, therefore the number of books weighing 32 kg will be 160 in number. Okay children, so this is how we can do question 9 by method of proportion. So it is up to you whether you do it by method of proportion or by using method of unitary method. Clear children? So with this we come on to the next question. Next question, I have taken question number 12. Okay, now let us read the question number first. In question number 12, a car moves 310 kilometers in 5 hours. How much time will it take to cover 403 kilometers? Okay, now a car moves 310 kilometers in 5 hours. Then a car moves 403 kilometers. We have to find that out. So I have solved this by the method of proportion. I have taken the time to be taken out as x, the time required to cover 403 kilometers as x hours. Okay, so in the ratio we write ratio of distance. Ratio of distance is 310 is to 403 and ratio of time is 5 is to x. So this is what I get the ratio. When I have to find out whether they are in proportion or not and to find out the value, so I will use this product of extremes is equal to product of means. When I say product of extremes, we know that we are talking about first and last term, that is fourth term. So 310 into x. Product of mean means second and third term, so 403 into 5. We place the value and we find out the value of x. So when we do so, we multiply and divide, okay, then we get the answer 6.5. It means the time required to cover 403 kilometers is 6.5 hours. Okay children, so this is how we have to do question number 12. So this is what you have to do in question number 12 in your fair copy. Now we will discuss question number 14. In question number 14, we have discussed that the question is 18 bags of rice having equal weight 297 kg. How much will 22 such bags weigh? Okay, this question I am using unitary method. Weight of 18 equal weighing bags is equal to 297. Okay, and I have to find out the weight of such 22 bags. So for this, first I have to find out weight of one such bag. Okay, so to find out weight of one such bag, I have to divide the total weight by the number of bags. So the total weight is 297. The total number of bags is 18. So when I divide this, I get 16.5 kg. So 16.5 kg is the weight of one such bag. Now when with this we can find out the weight of 22 such bags because I have to find more quantities, so I will multiply with that unit value. Here is 165 multiplied by 22. 22 is the number of bag. 16.5 is the weight of one such bag. Okay, so 16.5 kg multiplied by the number of bags, so we get 360 3. Okay, so what we can write as an answer, weight of such 22 equal weighing bags is equal to 363 kg. Children, I am doing some questions with proportion method, some question for unitary method. You can use any method to solve these kind of questions. So this was question number 14. Now one more question we will discuss, that is question number 16, the last question of this chapter. The question is, a man walks 17 kilometers in 5 hours. Okay, in 5 hours he is walking 17 kilometers. Then how long would he take to walk 20.4 kilometers? It means how much time he will take to walk for the distance 20.4 kilometers. For this I have taken proportion method to find out. Okay, now you can see a man is walking 17 kilometers in 5 hours. So he has to walk now 20.4 kilometers and we have to find out the time. So we don't know the time. So I have taken the time as x hours. Okay, now when I take the ratio of distance, so ratio is 17 is to 20.4 kilometers. Okay, now when I take the ratio of time, so it is 5 is to x. X I have to find it out. Fine. So I use the same property, that is products of extremes is equal to product of means. Extreme means first and fourth term, 17 into x. Means second and third term, that is 20.4 into 5. When I place the value, 17 comes here, I multiply them and divide directly by 17. So 17 6 is 102. So the value of x is 6. Because we were finding out the time, so the time taken by the man to complete, to cover, to walk 20.4 kilometers is 6 hours. Okay children, so here this is how we have to do these questions. Okay, exercise 9A we have completed. The following questions which we have discussed you will do in your class or copy. The questions which we have not discussed in the class, you have to solve and find out the solution. In case of any doubt, we can discuss that in the class. Okay. Now exercise 9B, it is of multiple choice questions and mental maths. You need to solve this question in your book with the help of pencil only. Wherever you need to find out the solution, you will solve that on a sheet of a paper and choose the correct answer from the given question. Okay children, so with this we complete the chapter 9, that is unitary method. Thank you.